Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed Androids. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of Threads and we click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.